Appliance garages are a practical way to reclaim countertop space and keep a busy family kitchen looking organized. Design around workflow by positioning the garage near the pantry or main prep zone so frequently used appliances are within reach yet out of sight. For a large family kitchen, choose roll-up or pocket doors that disappear into a cavity so there is no swinging door blocking traffic. These save space and look clean. Always include at least one grounded outlet inside the garage and plan for ventilation or louvered panels so toasters and other heat-producing devices can cool safely. If you expect to run appliances inside while closed, consider a simple timer or interlock that prevents closing while an appliance is running. Use pull-out trays or shallow sliding shelves on full extension drawer slides so heavy appliances lift straight forward rather than being tilted up from the back. Fit soft close hardware to reduce wear and noise. For mixed storage, combine vertical slots for baking sheets and removable bins for accessories so each item has a defined place and cleanup is faster. Finish with a durable, wipeable interior surface and hidden cord channels so cords do not become a tangled mess every time you open the door. 3 common issues are trapped heat, limited accessibility, and cluttered interiors. Trapped heat can damage appliances and create odors, so add ventilation slots, install a small passive vent, or leave the door partially open for cooling after use. Limited accessibility happens when appliances are jammed at the back, so put them on glide-out trays or lazy Susans to bring items forward and reduce lifting strain. Cluttered interiors come from mixing appliances and accessories without organization, so create modular compartments and label removable bins so every item has a place and the cabinet stays tidy. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for kitchen storage solutions with local contractors willing to install custom appliance garages, and we highlight ideas suitable for large family homes. We also host a discussion community where we share photos, ask questions, and exchange tips so contractors can find projects and homeowners can learn from real experiences.